Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. The latest labor force data show the economy shed more than 113,000 jobs over the first 10 months of last year. Most of the job losses were due to the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the jobless rate easing a bit, but still devastating. Between January and July last year, more than 150,000 jobs were lost. But 3 months later, by October, things started to turn around, with 37,000 jobs added. Despite the added jobs, there were still 113,000 fewer jobs in October last year than were available at the start of 2020. Director General at the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, Carol Coy, outlined the grim reality.
The unemployment rate for October 2020 was 10.7%, which was 3.5 percentage points higher than the rate of 7.2% for October 2019. The unemployment rate increased for both males and females. In October 2020, the unemployment rate for males increased to 8.6% from 6% in October 2019, and for females to 13% from 8.6%.
The entertainment industry took the hardest hit.
Largest declines in the number of persons employed were observed in the industry groups arts, entertainment, recreation, and other services. This fell by 36,900 or 27.9%. The impact of the reduction in employment was larger for females in each group. There were 14,300 fewer males in the arts, entertainment, recreation, and other services, compared to the decline of 22,600 females.
But while some industries were forced to send home workers, others went into recruitment drive.
The real estate and other business services industries, however, had increased employment, increasing by 11.8% to 105,400 in October 2020. The number of employed males in this industry increased by 6,700 and females by 4,400.
Gas prices are going up tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 82 cents more. $1.46 will be added to the price of automotive diesel and 94 cents for ultra-low sulfur diesel. Kerosene will cost 55 cents more. $1.64 will be added to the price of propane, while butane will increase by $2.15. Meanwhile, oil prices traded higher today. Prices were boosted by prospects of further economic stimulus under U.S. President Joe Biden. Oil for delivery in February rose 26 cents to settle at $53.23 a barrel. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $146.14. The Canadian dollar is selling for $115.33. The pound sterling sells for $199.08, while the euro is going for $179.35. And the JSE index lost 925 points today, while the junior market index gained 9 points. Among the winners were Consolidated Bakeries, 138 Student Living, ISP Finance Services, First Rock, US dollar shares, and Paramount Trading. On the losing side were C&WJ Cooperative Credit Union, Blue Power Group, Mayberry Investments, Key Insurance, and QWI Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.